In this video, I will show you how to create black bars opening transition in Premiere Pro. So if you want to create black bars that open up, start by going to the project panel. Right-click, choose New Item, and select Adjustment Layer. Click OK, then drag the adjustment layer onto your clip and stretch it across the full duration. Go to the Effects panel, search for Crop, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Now go to Effect Controls, add a keyframe at the beginning under Top, and set it to 50%. Then do the same for Bottom and set it to 50%. Move forward 10 frames, add another set of keyframes, and change both top and bottom to 0%. Play it back, and you'll see the black bars opening up. If the animation is too fast, just drag the keyframes further apart to slow it down. To make it even smoother, select and right-click the keyframes and choose Ease In. Now the transition looks clean, smooth, and exactly how you want it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.